I know y'all know I've been going through some crazy shit lately, but I just need y'all to understand that I'm still here. I'm still banging. Forever. Yeah. I got a meeting in the sky, and I'm the only one who knows the reason why. So I wanna know who's willing to fly with me, or who's willing to fly with me. I got a meeting in the sky, and I just know that I'ma make it if I try. So I wanna know who's willing to try with me, or who's willing to fly with me. Listen, I gotta say it slow. I almost sold my soul a day ago. I thought it was the way to go, but my conscience kept screaming, better save your soul. Dreaming while I'm sitting in a dark room, and everything seemed fake like a cartoon. Can't see the face but a dark tune, and hear the devil in my ear saying start soon. What? And I'm just thinking, what the fuck does it mean? I could've got up out of there if it wasn't something I seen. I was covered in green, all the women up in my jeans while stuffing with cream, counting money up in the beam. What? Yeah, and I'm just sitting amazed. Just go ahead and put your spit on the page, and I'll be living for days and never losing, always winning, so praising, living life no good for innocent ways. I got a meeting in the sky, and I'm the only one who knows the reason why. So I wanna know who's willing to fly with me, or who's willing to fly with me. I got a meeting in the sky, and I just know that I'ma make it if I try. So I wanna know who's willing to try with me, or who's willing to fly with me. I need the money, I need the paper to flee the haters. I need some bread just to feed the neighbors, cause we the greatest. And I'm in need of some decent favors, cause we've created massive problems over the seas, but I know that we can save it. I'm hearing voices who telling me all my choices, distinctive noises, it's all up in my head that gets annoying. I'm getting poisoned, I need to fill up the voids and part ways with all this drama. Calm the soldiers I'm deploying. I wanna save the people. Stop, you never charted that, but if you want then I can give you glory, fame and all of that. But if you suck then you go back to where it started, caps. And if you don't comply to me, then you gon' have a heart attack. Damn, but I'm just trying to win. Yeah, and now you're also dying to sin. So if I sign and I'm in, no guarantees, but you can sign with a grin. Well, I just laugh cause you don't sign with a pen. I got a meeting in the sky, and I'm the only one who knows the reason why. So I wanna know who's willing to fly with me, or who's willing to fly with me. I got a meeting in the sky, and I just know that I'ma make it if I try. So I wanna know who's willing to try with me, or who's willing to fly with me. Yeah. Fuck it, I'll never take it. Screaming fuck whoever hating, cause I'm the greatest, and I know I won't never fuck with Satan. I'm grinding while also skating, flying while also racing and pacing. I got the taste in my mouth and this shit's amazing. Fuck you, this is the sound of me while I'm breaking free. If all the demons chasing me, holiness is embracing me. My soul is mine, Paul, you never gonna be taking me, cause God has got my back up in heaven, yeah, that's my place to be. I'm going crazy, man, I don't really need your help. My rhyme's tight, oh, I don't even need a belt, and I don't need to sell anything, I'm breathing well, and I don't need no perfect 10s, I got one, and she a 12. I took a gamble like I'm playing with dice. My life's alright, and I'm just paying the price. I'm just saving my life, I might be evil, but I'm playing it right. I'm going up, and that's just saying it nice. I got a meeting in the sky, and I'm the only one who knows the reason why. So I wanna know who's willing to fly with me, or who's willing to fly with me. I got a meeting in the sky, and I just know that I'ma make it if I try. So I wanna know who's willing to try with me, or who's willing to fly with me. Listen, if there's one thing that you can take from my experience, it is to never give up and never give in. Always keep your eyes on the prize and stay focused. Don't get sidetracked by the stupid bullshit, no matter how good it looks. Because the mirage may seem amazing, but the repercussions are incredibly devastating. Don't fall for the fake shit. If you want something, go get it. Fuck what anybody else thinks. You do this for you, cause it's what you want. And if you really want it that bad, don't you ever fucking give up. Because you never know how close you are until you go the distance. And the moment that you lose everything that you've been fighting so hard for, it's gonna hurt like nothing you've ever felt. So good luck, make the right choice, break free. I know I did. Peace.
Chopper Slim seems really serious about that shit. I appreciate it. If you niggas is having a good time, say hell yeah.